Hello, hello. So today we are actually doing a review and a test basically in the air fryer, the beautiful air fryer. It's Houston's Piri Piri Shrimp Gratin. Join us. So if you are not from around here, Houston's is a bar and grill. I think it is a staple in either Canada or Quebec, I'm not sure. They have great steak, great seafood, and I saw this, it was on sale, so I wanted to try it. So we'll see how it tastes, but it's it is in a like plastic tray, and I don't know, is it gonna actually withstand my air fryer? Hopefully it will. It has to cook at 350 for 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. Hopefully it doesn't melt. So let's check it out. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's basically just a little hors d'oeuvre. I wanted to test it out. It is piri piri sauce and some shrimp, and I'm looking forward to it. So we're gonna put it in to the air fryer. Boop. And at 350, not the usual 400, that'll probably melt that plastic. At the 3 air fry. This is the beautiful air fryer. I love it. Air fry, let's put the temperature down to 350. And start. We'll be back in 15 minutes. Oh, let's put it at 15. All right, let me check on my shrimp. Start, pause. Oh, that's done. That is definitely done. Mine weren't completely frozen because I went and run errands, so it thawed out a little bit. So I think they are done. Yeah, they're done. Let's taste them. Ta-da! All right, let's pop one out. Oh, there's 2 shrimp in here. There you go. It smells shrimpy. Usually you would think it smells like garlic, but it's not. It's literally piri piri, like oil, I think, and cheese. So let's see. So, oh, there's a little kick. The shrimp, even though I just left it in for like 6 minutes, it's a little overcooked, but I was expecting it. The taste is really nice, but I expected more of a burst of flavor since it's piri piri sauce. I expected like this punch of like spice and different flavors. All in all, it was good. I got it on sale for $3.50. Usually they're $6. So for $3.50, I think it's pretty nice if you have people over for $3.50, have one each of this and then go on to the next course. But I could also say it's so easy to just make garlic shrimp and have that instead. And a whole pack of shrimp is like on sale, $5.95, and do it yourself. So,
but what everyone wants to know is, how did the air fryer do the job of cooking it?
The air fryer, it rocks. This beautiful air fryer is so good.
It's got a nice color to it.
Everything comes out extra crispy. Everything comes out perfectly cooked. I'm really enjoying this air fryer. Also, it took literally 5 minutes. I should have actually left it in less because I had it thawed out already. So yeah, the air fryer, awesome. I still recommend the beautiful Drew Barrymore air fryer. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, like, subscribe. We need you to subscribe. And we'll see you soon. We got more stuff coming.